Hi! Welcome to Holy Time TV. Before we start, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. The practice of washing clothes has existed for thousands of years and has been recorded in many ancient cultures, including in the Bible. The Bible, as a religious text, does not provide specific dates or timelines for the invention of laundry, but it does make several references to the practice of washing clothes. In the Old Testament, there are a number of references to washing. For instance, in the book of Genesis, Genesis chapter 49 verse 11, it is written, "He washes his garments in wine and his vesture in the blood of grapes," indicating the practice of washing clothes. In Exodus chapter 19 verse 10, before God revealed the 10 Commandments to Moses on Mount Sinai, the Israelites were told to wash their clothes, and the Lord said to Moses, "Go to the people and consecrate them today and tomorrow. Have them wash their clothes." Also in Leviticus, there are multiple references to washing clothes as part of ceremonial purification laws. While these references indicate the practice of washing clothes, the exact methods used are not detailed in the Bible. We do know that washing in ancient times was generally done by hand, often in rivers or other bodies of water, and that clothes were likely beaten against rocks to help remove dirt. Soap-like substances made from ashes and animal fat may have been used. The concept of laundry as we know it today, with washing machines and detergents, didn't come into existence until much more recently, within the last few centuries. The first rudimentary washing machines appeared in the 18th century, and modern electric washing machines didn't become common until the 20th century. So, to summarize, the practice of washing clothes is as old as clothing itself, and references to washing can be found in ancient texts including the Bible. However, the specific practices and tools used have evolved significantly over time. Leviticus chapter 14 verse 47 pertains to the laws concerning infectious skin diseases and mildew, as stated in the Old Testament of the Bible. Here's the verse, New International Version. "Anyone who sleeps or eats in the house must wash their clothes." The context for this verse comes from the preceding passages, which talk about the purification rituals for a house affected by a defiling mold. This was a part of the laws of cleanliness and ritual purity outlined in the book of Leviticus. If the priest inspected the house and found the mold had spread after it had been cleaned, the house was to be torn down. Leviticus chapter 14 verses 43 to 45. If the mold did not reappear after the house was cleaned, it could be declared clean. Leviticus chapter 14 verse 48. Leviticus chapter 14 verse 47 makes it clear that if anyone had been in the house while it was unclean, they would need to wash their clothes, presumably to avoid spreading any potential contaminants. This underlines the importance placed on cleanliness and ritual purity in these ancient texts. However, this should be interpreted in a historical and religious context rather than as a guide for modern practices of cleanliness or disease control. Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day, and I'm so excited to share with you something that's been on my mind. You see, God places messages and metaphors in the simplest of our everyday activities. Even in something as ordinary as doing our laundry, there are powerful lessons to learn, lessons about consciousness and the realization of dreams. Now, you might think, how does doing laundry relate to my dreams? But bear with me for a moment. When you do laundry, you're not just cleaning your clothes, you're removing the dirt and grime of yesterday. It's a process of purification, of starting anew. Just like when we wash our clothes, we also need to cleanse our minds and spirits. We need to wash away negative thoughts, doubts, and fears that are holding us back. The Bible tells us in Romans chapter 12 verse 2, "Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." Renewing your mind is like doing laundry for your soul. Just as you wouldn't wear dirty clothes, you shouldn't carry old, unproductive thoughts and negativity with you. Now, let's talk about the subconscious. It's like the hamper where we throw our dirty clothes. Throughout the day, without even realizing it, we fill our subconscious with thoughts and beliefs, both good and bad. But it's when we dream, when we dare to delve deep into that hamper of subconsciousness, that we truly start to sort out our feelings and thoughts. Just as you separate the darks from the whites in the laundry, you have to separate the uplifting, positive beliefs from the destructive ones. It's a crucial step toward realizing your dreams. It's important to wash away the negative beliefs, the fear, and the doubt, and replace them with faith, confidence, and positivity. In the quiet moments of reflection, pray for the clarity to discern between what serves your dream and what diminishes it. And then, like the rinse cycle washing away the last remnants of dirt, cleanse your subconscious of what hinders you. Remember, every dream in your heart was put there for a reason. You're divinely equipped with all you need to achieve it. Every spin of the washer, every hum of the dryer, is a reminder of the cycle of renewal that's available to each of us, every single day. So when you're doing your laundry this week, I want you to reflect on what it is you're carrying in your subconscious. Separate the good thoughts from the bad, and wash away the negativity. Keep your mind focused on positivity, faith, and your dreams. Because just as sure as those clothes are going to come out clean and fresh, so too is your renewed mind ready to embrace all the possibilities that lie ahead. You're more powerful than you think, friends. Let's embrace this beautiful day, and remember, we're not just doing laundry. We're reaffirming our commitment to personal growth, to the cleansing of our minds, and to the realization of our God-given dreams. God loves you. God bless you all. If you liked this video, don't forget hit that like button, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in the future. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.